back to the Adjunct's kitchen. We make affordable, easy to prepare, and delicious meals for you part-time cooks and for your full-time eaters. My name's Chad Seeger, and if you like the flavor of miso, you're going to love this quick and easy dish, Miso Poached Tuna Steaks. The must-haves for this dish are tuna steak, miso paste, green onion, sesame seeds, water, rice, and ginger. The steps to making this dish are to prep your ingredients. Off-screen, I cook the rice. Then heat and water your pan to dissipate the miso. Poach your tuna, reduce the glaze, plate, and serve. Fortunately for this dish, there's not a lot of prep. If you're using fresh ginger, you're going to want to cut it up at this stage. Otherwise, just take your green onion and cut it into small pieces. Making this dish is incredibly easy. Get a pan up to medium-high, and add some water. When your water's warming, now's the time you can add your miso. Just put it right in the water and just move it around. As the water heats up and you keep stirring, the miso paste will dissipate into the water. So keep stirring until you don't see any more chunks of miso paste. Once the water starts boiling, you're almost there. Once you start to see bubbles, you're ready to add the fish. You can also at this stage, but you don't have to. You can add a little bit of sesame or olive oil. And then gently place the fish right into the boiling miso. If you're using fresh ginger, you can shred it up and put it in at this point. If you're using powdered ginger, now's the time to add it. After 2 minutes, check on your tuna. Now, you're probably going to want to flip it. Now's a good time to add the scallions. After another few minutes, remove the tuna, put it on top of a bed of rice. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your glaze. What that means is turning up the heat to reduce the sauce. Essentially, you're going to boil off all the water, keep stirring until you get to a nice consistency. As you start to see less and less liquid, and the glaze is almost done. Of course, to elevate for presentation purposes, it can be fun to cut the tuna so you can see the inside. It's not as rare as I like it personally, but it could be perfect for some people. So now, just spoon that glaze right on top. Hit it with some more sesame seeds, and this dish is done. This is a great dish to make in a pinch. It doesn't take a lot of ingredients. It only takes about 10 minutes, and it's so delicious and healthy. Well, thanks everybody for watching. If you have any questions or requests for other dishes, please leave it in the comment section below. Like and subscribe if you like what you saw, and I'll see you on the next Adjunct's Kitchen.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel!